All right, what do you got going on here now?
So we got tomatoes.
Yep.
We cut them in half. We hit them with Big Texan, BBQ Pit Boys Big Texan. We put them on the smoker, and we're smoking them. So now we're going to take them, plop them in here.
Man, look at those. So we're going to use a mixolator here to blend all this together.
Yep.
So get your favorite mix. Oh, yeah.
Don't forget to save room for the vodka.
Oh.
So now here goes a mixolator.
Here, let me hold that for you. Grind those babies up good. All right, now.
Now, every good Bloody Mary needs a Tito.
That's my chef right there.
Here we go.
That's a Bloody Mary chef right there. That's an all-nighter.
So, look at that. Took the skins right out.
Who's the first test pilot?
All right.
Now we need some ice.
Nice.
Somebody will drink it.
All right.
Never have to worry about that.
All right.
Get up there.
Some ice here.
All right, there, Cheshire Cat. Pour away.
All the time.
Here we go.
All the time. I could watch it over and over and over. Same shit all the time.
Using real tomatoes really
The kid is funny
makes
as
this
hell.
drink.
Oh,
I'll tell you what.
They
The
showed
richness
when he first
of
started
the fresh tomatoes.
looks like.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Oop.
And then when he got older, what did he do? He
Stir it around.
But I love the part, you know, like when
Right.
Charlie has.
he was suing the network.
One more ice.
A couple, I guess. Here we go.
Hope it's good.
Here we go. Now, gentlemen.
Yeah. Here it is.
Grab it.
Grab one and
Here's
Pick yours up, just hold it.
Here we go.
Here's to our new
New acquaintances at the pit.
our new acquaintance,
Old friends.
Go.
old friends. The Cheshire,
Salute.
the Cheshire Cat Man.
Cheshire. Oh,
Exceptional.
that's
That
perfect.
little background smoke in there.
Oh.
Nice. Really is.
Oh yeah.
Got it.
dude.
Yeah.
So,
So the next time you're looking for a Bloody Mary recipe, it's your pit. That's it.
This is it. Don't go any further.
yeah.
That's it.
Oh, hell yeah.
That is good, huh?
Oh, hell yeah.
you got it.
Yep.